Hey guys, today we'll be building a Lego coffee machine. So we're comparing this against the original Lego coffee machine, which is like this nasty little, not very good coffee machine. So we're comparing that against this one, which Lego half designed, but I've customized it. So yeah, that's what we're building today. So for this, you'll need a 1x2 plate. That will be the base of it. So you will also need a 1x1 round tile that will go on that 1x2 plate like that. Then you'll need a 1x1 round brick that's translucent. That will go on top of that 1x1 round tile. Then you'll get a coffee cup, and that will go on that extra stud there, like that. Then you'll get this weird piece. It's a like a 1x1 with a beak on the end. That just goes over the top. So that's how you make the Lego one. Now I'll show you how to make mine. Okay, so for my coffee machine, you'll need a 2x2 plate in black, and then you'll need a 1x2. This is a plate in black as well. That goes on top of there. Then you'll need a light grey grill. That goes in front of that 1x2 plate, like that. I can do it right. Then you need a 1x2 brick. That will go on that 1x2 black plate. Then you need a 1x2 black plate again. That goes on top. Then you'll need to make the portafilter and the frother. So you need to grab a 2x2 plate. Then you grab a 1x1 with like a kick out on the side. Then you grab this piece, which is like a looks like a portafilter. It comes in a lot of Lego sets. And that goes on the same right next to that part we just put down before, like that. Then that goes on top of that black 1x2 plate like that. Then you grab one of these grills in dark grey. Then you'll need a cheese slope with the gauges on, and you have your coffee machine. So in the future, I'm going to hope to make instructions for these, so you can download them and build it with minimal me having to say everything. So yep, that's what the hope for the future. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for some more great content. Bye.